Hello everyone, it's CodeJourney here today. Today we are going to learn how to use the form tag. What is a form tag? We will be going through what can we do with a form tag in the article. So now let me click into the article. So first, what can we do with the form tag? We can use the form tag to redirect a user to another web page after that finished filling the form, which is our inputs. For a text input, we must enter some text inside it and click enter, and it will redirect us. Now how do we use a form tag on an input? So first, we enter the input or inputs we want. Let's say we are just going to put the text input. We will first use the form tag to loop for input. After that, we should add an attribute call action inside our form tag. Inside our attribute, we should add the link we want the user to be redirected after filling the form. Note that you can enter more than one input into form tag. That means if you put more than one input, the user have to fill everything to be redirected. We will be learning deeper into this in the future. Now if you notice that if we don't enter anything into our text input and click enter, we can still be redirected to the specified web page. Now this time we will have to make sure the input is required. How do we do that? We will add required at the end of our input tag. Below is an example of how our code should look like. This will specify that the field have to be required. Now try entering nothing and click enter. See what will happen. Now let's get into the checkpoint. I'm getting excited. First checkpoint, what is the attribute to specify the link to be redirected after filling the form? We said that we will add an action attribute inside the form tag to specify the link to be redirected, so the answer is action. Next question, what is the text to make our text input require? Remember, the text is required, make sure it is required, not require, just like the past tense of require. Required. So the answer is required. Last question, make your own text input with a placeholder of your choice and add on the form tag and give it an action of your choice. Make sure your text input is required. First we create the text input and specify the type as text. Then create a placeholder and give it any value. The IU is a form tag to loop the input tag, and give the action attribute a value of your choice. I will just put CodeJourney's home page. Lastly, don't forget to add require at the end of the input tag. Yay, we got all right! Now this is the end of our video. If you are enjoying this video and learned something new, you are welcome to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember, we always provide a free web page to learn coding. Bye!